Are you someone who ends up paying labor charges at your authorized service dealer for small adjustments and works that could have been handled very easily at a local workshop just to avoid voiding your warranty? Then there is good news for you people, because now you can get your car or bike repaired at a local workshop without worrying about losing your warranty. The Department of Consumer Affairs has now launched the Right to Repair portal and initiative, which protects your vehicle's warranty if you have got any work done from a third-party workshop. The portal is already live, and two-wheeler manufacturers such as Hero MotoCorp and Honda motorcycles and scooters have already enrolled in the program. The portal also requires these manufacturers to share proper repair manuals and spare parts with third-party workshops. Proper diagnostic tools and repair information will also be shared with these third-party service providers, which will enable better service to you. Currently, this department is working towards enrolling as many manufacturers as it can on a voluntary basis. Overall, there are 4 sectors which are being covered under the Right to Repair scheme, including electronics such as your smartphone and home appliances. Brands such as Apple, Samsung and Oppo are already on board in the scheme. Apart from automobiles, electronics and home appliances, farming equipment is also covered under the Right to Repair. If you want to know more about how the initiative works and what you can do to protect yourself, then visit their website, which is righttorepair.gov.in, and check out their blog, where they have answered several important questions for new users. Comment below if you think that participating in the Right to Repair initiative should be made mandatory for all manufacturers.